Hey everyone, Tony this side. I hope you're enjoying your weekend. In this video, I'm going to update my reviews on Bitcoin for short term, because in my last video I've already explained what I expect next for a couple of months, like a midterm scenario. So I think let's do the short term video this time. Please ignore the background noise. I know that's quite disturbing, but I didn't get time to fix it. So hopefully in the next video you would get it. So this was the chart I'm working on, okay, and I have a couple of charts more I'll be showing you in this video. So far it's been working well. From 14th I'm working on this chart. I was expecting a correction to 42,000. That worked very well. That's where I long, okay. This was my setup because it was testing the weekly open, okay, and it was a good retest, right? If you use Fibonacci from the bottom to the top, it was in discount area almost 50%, so that was a good level to take entry, and I longed it here. Also I have booked profits on a couple of areas. The first one was at October low around 43,200, and the second one I booked today when price got rejected from 43,500 levels, which I was expecting to get rejection, but I was not expecting it to drop so fast, so I had to book it below 43k. But that's fine because this was a scalp entry. I'm still holding my 40% of the position, okay. So back to this chart. For now price is holding 42,500, and I'm expecting price to hold that level for some time and to go up. Alright, so how I plan my trade and what next I'm expecting. This is the chart that I'm playing on right now. These two were the chart from the week, and this is the chart from today. So why 42,500 level is important? Because if you notice, after the last consolidation when price broke down on first week of January, this was the point where price faced the first support. So it's quite important level for me. How do I trade this and why do I keep it in my chart? Let me explain you. If you notice, once price broke below this in this first attempt, price tried to break it 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and in the fifth one it got successful, and once it has broken, you can see it has taken support 1, 2, 3, and when it broke down it quickly went back up, right, again. So it has again worked as support 4 times. So I'm expecting that this level is quite important, and this shows you from the beginning why do I have 42,500 level on my chart, okay. 42,000, sorry, that was 42,500. So 42,000 level is quite important for me because it is quarterly low, okay. So quarterly low importance I've explained in my last video as well. So that's why I have this. It's on minus 42,000. October lows are important because this was a level which I'm like watching since the price has started dropping below 53,000. Why I was watching October lows? Because everybody who has long after October, he gets stopped out here, which happened on December 4th, okay. So this was also important, and for now price is moving around these two levels, okay. So if we notice, on Friday I took my position of long around here, right, and this was the trading of Friday, this is the trading of Saturday, and this is the trading of Sunday, or you can say today, right. So price has been trading since morning inside the range of Saturday highs and Saturday lows. So if price is trading in this range, right, in weekends I usually like to draw Saturday lows and Saturday highs because this is not a very high volume range, right, because price is more likely like trading with low volume on weekends. That's why the manipulation usually goes like, if somebody has taken anything, any long entry below Saturday lows or near Saturday lows, like if you notice anybody who has bought Bitcoin here, he would more likely place his stop losses below this, right. If anybody has taken short here, he would more likely to shift his stop losses here. That's why I usually draw these levels for my Sunday trading or even for Monday, so Saturday highs and Saturday lows. Another level is 42,500, which I already explained. That is also just below Saturday low. So I was expecting that price can drop below this and it goes up. But things does not work always the way we wanted, and it very closely missed this area and pumped already, okay. But I won't be making any kind of FOMO, any kind of hurry. I'll be waiting. Maybe I won't take any trade, right, but I will wait for price either to drop below Saturday lows or it can close above Saturday highs, so that I can be confirmed that it is a good breakout and price is more likely to go up. Okay, if price breaks above Saturday highs, if price starts going up above here, I would be targeting yearly open, that's 46,200. so I would expect that price should at least reach to this area or nearby areas. So 45,700 to 45,700 to 46,200 would be my target if price breaks above Saturday highs. So the levels I'm watching right now is 42,500 because I want that to hold. Quarterly lows, that's quite important for me. Then the weekly candle should close above it. If weekly candle closes below quarterly lows, then price may retest the lower levels, as I explained in my last video as well. And if it closes above Saturday highs, even on Monday, I would be looking for yearly open. So that's what I am planning for Bitcoin to trade with. And if it happens, so we can get like a couple of intraday trades. I'm already in one, okay, with booking some profit. So that is a risk-free trade for now. In Ethereum, in the last video I explained that for now I'm not looking for any position, and prices are still in the manipulation area. So 3,500 is an important level for me. If price breaks out like this, I am a buyer. If price drops back below this, I am a buyer. So I'm looking for these two levels. However, this consolidation is quite important and it may not go below this. So there is high probability that price may not go below in case Bitcoin breaks out above, okay, above yearly open, or Ethereum breaks out above 35,000. In both these two scenarios, I'll be a buyer. But I'm not ignoring the possibility that it may retest this. That's why I'm not a buyer here at this particular price, and I'm just waiting for it. Okay, so when price is in sideways action, it's always better to stay outside, play level to level. There's no need to hurry. There's no need to be a buyer at here. You're buying at 3,300 or you are buying at 3,600 does not make a difference if you are planning to target 6,000 or 10,000 areas, right? But if you are looking for intraday scalps, definitely Ethereum is one of the best pairs to trade except Bitcoin because it has the highest volume, right? So for now, this is all I have. I'm expecting Bitcoin to be sideways throughout the weekly closing, and if it takes below the Saturday lows or it goes to 42,500, I may look for buying. And the quarterly low, that is something so important for me. So quarterly low is something I want it to hold on the weekly closing. Even if you look on the daily chart, right, price is actually facing quite resistance just to the quarterly low, October lows, and it's taking support at 42,500 and quarterly low. So these three levels is all I'm watching right now. I don't have any plan that Bitcoin goes here or Bitcoin goes there. I'll be deciding once price breaks out up or high, and I will be targeting this January open. Okay, so that's all I have on Bitcoin. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this video could be helpful for your learnings or education. And if you feel to give any kind of suggestion, and if you want to do any kind of discussion, always feel free to DM me on my Twitter account or Telegram account, which is Wow It's Tony on Telegram and Wow It's Tony 92 on crypto. So it was nice talking to you all. I hope you are having a blessed day and blessed weekend. Wish you good luck. Bye bye.